In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up VK account without phone number. By default, VKB Contactee requires a valid phone number for account registration to verify that each account belongs to a real user. In 2025, VK has tightened these rules even more to reduce spam, so signing up completely without a phone number is not officially possible. However, there are a few workarounds if you don't want to use your personal number. The easiest method is to use a secondary SIM card or a temporary virtual number service. Many users rely on services like Google Voice, TextNow, or other VoIP providers that issue free numbers. Once you get a number from one of these apps, you can enter it during VK registration and receive the SMS code there. Another option is to buy a low-cost prepaid SIM card just for sign-ups, which works reliably because VK usually rejects numbers from known disposable services. A useful tip is to avoid using free online public SMS websites, because VK detects most of them and blocks the numbers. Even if it works, those numbers are shared with strangers, which means your account could be hijacked easily. If privacy is your concern, a paid virtual number from a reputable provider is much safer. You can also link your VK account later to an email and enable two-factor authentication to protect it further. So, while VK won't let you register without any number at all, you don't have to use your personal one. A virtual number app or a cheap prepaid SIM card is the most practical workaround if you want to keep your main number private. Yay! That's it! Thank you for watching this video.